Hi guys, Dr. C here, and today we're going to talk about ways that you can incorporate exercise into your daily routine without making it a chore. So a lot of people get a little discouraged about exercising, putting on their outfits, going to gyms where people look like beefcake, and they're feeling a little bit intimidated. So, there is that form of exercise, but what I'm going to share with you today is a form of exercise where it doesn't feel like it's exercise, but guess what? You get the points and you get the benefits of actually doing them. So I know our schedules are so chaotic and so busy, and so the first tip that I'm going to give you, this is something that's very simple that you can do while you're at the office, while you're actually working. So during lunch break, it's the law, you're supposed to stop to eat. So actually stop, eat for a little bit, but instead of extending that long period of time to catch up with everybody and just sit down and talk, you can catch up, but guess what you need to do? You need to grab an office mate, you need to grab a buddy, and take a stroll. Like walk around the neighborhood, walk around the office, just walk around the perimeters. That actually counts, guys, as exercise, right? You can actually, if you're not in a place where you feel comfortable even walking, you don't get a chance to access the outdoors, what you can do is you can actually just do some stairs, climb some stairs at the office, climb some stairs in the area. And the last thing that you can actually do, there's a lot of things, but these are just for my tips. I would say bring a jump rope. Like, guys, let's just go back to days when we would jump and have so much fun. You can bring that back into your life. And aside from it just being exercise, I honestly used to use it as a stress reducer. But anyway, that's a whole nother discussion. But bring the jump rope back in. It gives you great toning exercise, it gives you intense cardio, and you can do it in a few minutes. Try it and see how it works for you guys. So that's my first tip. The second tip is, instead of getting into this huge fight with everybody trying to find the closest parking spot right up front by the grocery store, right up by your favorite shopping place. Guys, get out of that stressful environment. You need to be part of the fight. And guess what? You can look cute working out. Park at the furthest spot, way in the back, and walk to the front of the store, guys. It's just that simple. And you actually might save time instead of just doing laps and laps, honking at the next person, trying to fight. Am I about to beat up the old lady? You don't even need to deal with all of that. Literally just find the spot as furthest from the front of the store or wherever you're going, and then just walk back and forth. The third thing I like to share, helpful tip, is instead of taking the escalator and the elevator, just take the stairs. Now, I know if you're in New York and you're on the 100th floor, that might be a little bit much. But I'm just trying to keep it simple, guys, and help you to stay fit. Take the stairs whenever possible, as opposed to the elevator or the escalator. So those are my helpful tips for you guys today. I hope they're helpful. If you like, please subscribe right here. Feel free to send some comments and questions that you may have that you want Dr. C to answer. And until the next time, guys, take care.